To add the data stub, let's take a look at the example of the real API call. It's an array of objects where each object is a home, and it has 4 properties: title, image, location, and price. So let's start by declaring the first home here and set the title. Then image, let's just copy it from here. Location and price. Then duplicate it a couple of times and update the strings. And we have our stub. Now we're going to get to that data by calling .then on the promise. And the callback will receive the data. And before I do anything with it, let me declare this homes variable here and put it in the template. Now in the promise callback, I'm going to set the value for this homes variable to be the result of mapping over the array of homes, and for each returning this div with the home test ID. I'm not using the data declared in each home object. I just want to get the list for now. Okay, now I'm rerunning the test, and I expect it to pass because I just created 3 div elements with the test ID home, and in the test we verify that there's at least one of them, so it should pass. But it doesn't. Here we see that template doesn't render any home elements at all. It's just an empty div. To figure out why this happens, let's add a console log statement right before the component returns the markup. And here in the test, right before we're trying to find any homes in the component. And it kind of makes sense what we see here. Right before the component renders homes, we see that the variable with homes is undefined, it doesn't have any homes. And then we try to assert that there are some homes, and we found none. That means that the callback function in our promise never gets a chance to execute and build the list of homes when the component gets rendered by our tests. So let's find out why that is and how to fix it.